Welcome to Cohesion and Coherence Mastery, effective writing and daily remembrance tips for global professionals. We're focusing on how to elevate your written communication. In today's digital era, clear communication is essential, not just an advantage. Global teams rely heavily on written flow for remote collaboration. Cohesion and coherence are key to transforming disjointed words into impactful strategies. Our roadmap covers three main areas: cohesion, the grammatical glue that binds sentences; coherence, how to build logical sense so ideas flow naturally; and memory tips, daily routines to make these rules permanent habits. Poor writing leads to wasted time and misunderstood goals. Surveys show 82% of leaders value clear, coherent writing as the most crucial soft skill for non-native English speakers. Mastering these skills significantly increases your professional influence. This chart illustrates how logical flow impacts perceived competence. Note that high coherence significantly improves a writer's standing. Even with perfect grammar, a lack of flow reduces professional credibility. Part 1 is dedicated to cohesion, the glue. We'll explore how to build strong connections between your sentences, ensuring they link smoothly at the surface level. Cohesion is the grammatical and lexical link between sentences. Think of it as the mortar holding the bricks, your sentences, together on the page. Key types include reference, substitution and ellipsis, and conjunctions. Cohesion divides into two categories. Grammatical cohesion uses structural links like pronouns or conjunctions. Lexical cohesion involves word choice, like repeating key words or using synonyms to build meaning. Reference, using pronouns, avoids repetition. Anaphoric reference points backward. Cataphoric reference points forward. And comparative reference is a direct comparison. These pointers connect your subjects efficiently. Substitution means replacing a word to avoid repetition, while ellipsis is removing a word when the context is clear. Expert tip: these tools make your writing feel native and efficient, especially in digital chat. Conjunctions are transitional words that add information, show contrast, express result or reason, or order events. Review this table for examples like furthermore, however, therefore, and initially. Lexical cohesion creates semantic threads of meaning. This includes reiteration for emphasis, synonymy using different words with the same meaning, and hyponymy going from specific to general. As cohesion techniques are applied, reading speed and reader retention improve dramatically. The key takeaway is that high cohesion allows the brain to process information 40% faster. Now we move to part 2, coherence, the sense. This section focuses on building logical structure so your ideas connect meaningfully in the reader's mind. Cohesion is surface level, the link between words. Coherence is depth, the underlying logic, ensuring the whole paragraph makes sense. Think of the analogy. A puzzle with the wrong pieces has cohesion, but no coherence. Coherence is built through the logical sequencing of ideas. A coherent paragraph typically follows a chain: situation, argument, contrast, and then the result, allowing the reader to anticipate the flow. A major challenge for global readers is logical gaps. A significant 55% of readers lose interest or misunderstand text due to a lack of coherence, regardless of simple vocabulary. Clear structure is crucial for worldwide audiences. Mastering the theme and rhyme flow is the secret to coherence. Theme is old, known information. Rhyme is the new detail. The zigzag pattern uses the new detail of one sentence as the familiar start of the next, seamlessly guiding the reader. Using transition signals is key to logical clarity. These signals guide the reader through your thought process, indicating logical addition, logical contrast, or concession to an alternative viewpoint. Communication styles vary globally. While some cultures use shared context, the goal of global English is to create such high coherence that cultural context is not needed for full understanding. This is a case study demonstrating the difference between incoherent and coherent writing. The goal is to see how the application of these principles transforms confusing paragraphs into clear ones. To summarize part 2, effective writing is not about using many words, but about how well you connect them for the mind of another. The demand for global English proficiency is growing, with non-native speakers projected to reach 2 billion by 2030. Coherence acts as a universal language that bridges differences. We now begin part 3, remembrance tips. These are practical habits designed to make cohesion and coherence second nature, particularly for busy working professionals. Tip 1 is the micro-learning habit. Instead of long study sessions, focus on mastering one cohesive device per day. This concentrated practice embeds the rule into long-term memory more effectively. Tip 2 involves visual mnemonics. Use sticky notes for transition signals, color code transitions, and pronouns in drafts, and visualize your paragraph as a connected logical chain. Tip 3 is spaced repetition. To fight the forgetting curve, review information at increasing intervals. Day 1, Day 3, Day 10, and Day 30 to transition knowledge into permanent memory. Tip 4 introduces self-correction strategies, particularly the read aloud test. If you stumble, it lacks cohesion. If the main point is unclear, it lacks coherence. Recording yourself speaking is a helpful daily hack. Here is your final summary checklist. Review these questions before sending any communication and integrate the suggested daily habits for continuous improvement. Are you ready to transform your writing? We offer professional coaching and tailored feedback. Thank you for your commitment to mastery. Contact us at canadasmartmind@gmail.com for support. This slide provides the image sources used throughout this video, including graphics related to internet adoption, teamwork, strategy, and problem solving. Here are the remaining image sources, covering topics such as habit tracking and corporate visuals.